What is HTT-40? The indigenous basic trainer aircraft HTT-40 is set to be unveiled during the 12th edition of the DEF Expo on October 19, 2022. The indigenous basic trainer aircraft HTT-40, Hindustan Turbo Trainer 40, is developed and manufactured by state-owned Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL. The trainer aircraft is expected to be unveiled at the India Pavilion during the DEF Expo 2022. The HAL and Indian Air Force will finalize a contract for 70 HTT-40s during the event. The aircraft will be powered TPE 331-12 family of engines developed by Honeywell International Inc. This enables the trainer aircraft to quickly accelerate, consume lesser fuel, and increase reliability and flexibility to conduct a wide range of training missions. 70% of the HTT-40 is made of indigenous Indian content. HTT-40 will be used by the IAF for training new pilots before they are allowed to use more advanced HAL HJT-16 Kiran, Intermediate Jet-Powered Trainer Aircraft, and Hawk Advanced Jet Trainer, AJT. After the AJT training is complete, the trainees can be posted to fighter squadrons of the Indian Air Force. The HTT-40 will be used for basic flight training, aerobatics, instrument flying, and close formation flight. The aircraft is equipped with the latest avionics, an air-conditioned cabin, and ejection seats. It provides the best-in-class fuel economy and power rating, and is capable of taking off from a short distance. It has a high rate of climb and a maximum speed of 450 km per hour. It can reach a maximum distance of 1,000 km. The aircraft successfully completed its spin flight certification test last year.